Time now for a check of your North Central Washington weather forecast, and hope you had a fantastic Thursday. Wasn't it great to see the sun return? And boy, our shot fantastic outside our weather window from this afternoon. This is our Hay Canyon Tower shot looking back at Kashmir, and you can see all of that blue sky with just a few clouds dotting the skyline today, and temperatures reflected that as well. And get used to that. I'll tell you what, as we look ahead into the middle and even later part of this month, here's our temperature outlook, and here we are above normal for almost all of the western United States, and boy, that goes for a big chunk of our country, and nobody really in the entire country below normal as we head into the middle of the month. And as far as precip goes, not going to be much of that either. In fact, we are going to be below or about where we should be in Washington State, a little bit above in the northern plains, and about normal for the rest of the country. So we will be warm and dry as we continue on through the first part of January. Today's high temperature, it reflects that unofficially 41 degrees, 9 degrees above where we should be for this time of year is 32. Our record high, 52 degrees, set in 2009. We were at 27 this morning. 23 is where we should be for an overnight low, and our record, one below, set in 1979. Sunrise this morning, 7:47, and it's set this afternoon. Hey, we gained a couple minutes. It's 4:29. All right, getting you into Friday and temperatures. Boy, it's going to be a nice day tomorrow. 43 in Moses Lake and Ephrata. That also goes for Quincy. 42s for Ellensburg into Wenatchee. A little cooler for Aniat, Chelan. Also Omak at around 40. Nice day as well for you folks in Leavenworth and Kashmir with high temperatures right around 40 degrees. Tonight we can expect mostly cloudy skies. High pressure still our big weather feature right now, and you can see a well-defined ridge up and over the Pacific Northwest, but it's a dirty ridge, which means it allows clouds to move through that ridge. We'll see that tonight. Won't be bad. Lows around 30. For Friday, our ridge intensifies. We'll just see partly cloudy skies tomorrow. It's going to be a nice one, even a little bit warmer than today. We'll see highs to end our week into the low 40s, and then as we kick off our weekend on Saturday, not much change. Mostly cloudy skies, though. Our high pressure moves just a little bit to the east, and that'll allow a weak weather system to move in, but not going to change our weather a whole lot. We're talking upper 30s for highs on Saturday. And as we end the weekend on Sunday, cloudy skies. That big storm system from the Gulf of Alaska pushes farther inland, and we could catch about a 30% chance for showers on Sunday. The good news, if you're traveling anyway, it will be rain with highs around 40. And then for Monday, things really begin to warm up. Cloudy skies. We will see a pretty strong flow of moisture moving in. It's almost an atmospheric river. We'll see about a 40% chance of rain on Monday, and we are going to warm up. High temperatures in the mid-40s for Monday. For your Tuesday, high pressure rebuilds over the Great Basin. Our ridge comes back and sets back over the Pacific Northwest, and that's going to allow us to even be a little bit warmer. We are talking highs on Tuesday near 50 degrees, and that same goes as we get you into Wednesday. In fact, a lot more sun, 2 shots of high pressure, and boy, it's going to dominate our weather through the middle of the month as we talked about earlier. Unseasonably warm on Wednesday with highs again near 50 degrees. All right, your 7-day forecast now, and it's brought to you by Colonial Vista Senior Living in Wenatchee, where comfort, care, and community come together. 31 overnight tonight, partly cloudy and nice for Friday. 42, increasing clouds Saturday, just slightly cooler. We'll see a high of 38, and then a couple of rainy days Sunday and Monday. We'll see about the rain. 30% Sunday, 40 on Monday. 44, though, our high temperature for Monday. And look at those temperatures as we get you into Tuesday and Wednesday. Partly cloudy to mostly sunny. High temperatures both days in the upper 40s. And that's a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.